Casey, we start with you. I mean, what are you seeing and hearing right now? What has caught your attention, and maybe what is maybe misrepresented or under focused?
Yeah, good question. So I think the cool part is I think we've all gotten past the initial shock of what AI can do,
Yeah,
and so now where everyone is really focused on putting into production, right? And so that's a big theme is how do you actually get this into production? And that's actually where I think some of the not underrepresentation, I should say, or under focus comes in because once you start dealing with production, especially the enterprise, things like security, things like access control, things like stability, low latency, that starts coming to play. And I think this is where enterprise storage, where initially didn't get a lot of focus, is now actually getting a lot of focus because AI is no longer an afterthought. If you're going to treat it and put it into production, you have to treat it the same way you do your tier one applications, right? So I think this is where you're starting to see a lot more conversations now. We're just meeting. I just came from a meeting with the NVIDIA folks all around CMX and STX, and that's really NVIDIA's recognition that hey, we need to make sure that the storage piece is fully integrated and it's not an afterthought.
yeah. I mean, if it's no longer an afterthought, Mike, what do leaders need to be taking away just from kind of what the signal is here at GTC to put into action today or next week?
Yeah, and I'm still amazed by what all this stuff is doing. So our jobs change every 3 weeks.
Two, two. I don't know about you, but it's
Yeah.
two for me.
Well, people are still doing the storage thing, so it's now 3 weeks now. So, look, really, what the thing is that I'm finding here, especially in going back to the storage piece, it's now becoming a data conversation instead of a storage conversation, and to me, that's going to accelerate everything that we do in AI.
Yep.
And they're two critical components. I mean, everybody knows, GPUs and kind of the processing piece, but the storage piece and the security piece are the two critical components. And I'm seeing a lot of focus here. So if I was, a leader coming out of GTC, I'd think, how do I make sure that whatever I'm deploying from an AI standpoint is secure? And how do I actually make sure that that data is in the right condition and that data is doing what you need it to do? That to me is what people should be thinking about.
Yeah, Casey, build on what Mike said there. He's talking about it's no longer about just storage. It's about where the data is, how we have access to it. Maybe just a little bit about why that's important for the enterprise.
It's important because I'll kind of take what Mike said and go kind of one step further. I think with AI, it's become so easy and so fast to build that I think the conversation is now shifted to more about outcomes. Yeah, more about business outcomes, right? What you can do. So it's gone from storage to data to now outcomes. And that's actually the right way to think about it, right? Because we don't do AI because it's fun. We're doing it because we want to drive some change and drive some outcomes. So I think this is where when you start thinking about outcomes, what do you start thinking about? You start thinking about predictability.
Yeah.
You start thinking about like, hey, is this being used by the right person? You start thinking about customer experience. And this is where the storage piece actually becomes super critical. Like, for example, when everyone can deploy ChatGPT on some application, it's actually pretty hard if you say, I want all 300,000 users to be able to concurrently do prompts in production. That's actually not as easy as you think, right?
Right.
All the security access controls and then just the latency you have to deal with. And that's where I think considerations around storage or access actually becomes a pretty big deal, right? That people aren't really thinking about that today as they're moving into production. They're now being hit with a lot of failed Copilot projects.
Right.
Now the people are really thinking about it.
Yeah. I mean, Mike, you're having conversations all the time, many of which are happening here at GTC, but you're out meeting with clients and organizations of all kinds. Is that message that Casey's talking about resonating with them, or are they playing a little bit of catch up still?
I don't think they're playing catch up. I think they understand organizationally that they need to focus on outcomes too, and it's not necessarily about the technology itself. So all of these organizations, when we're looking at whether it's in manufacturing or in retail, you've got to actually think about how that's going to impact the business. And I don't want to say the technology is secondary because the technology is extremely important, but focusing on what you want to get out of it. What do you want it to do? How do you want it to impact the organization? And is it going to be scalable for you? Is it going to be reliable? Is it manageable in your environment? If you focus on those things, I think exactly what Casey said, the outcome piece is the conversation. And we've been talking about outcomes in this industry for 20 years. I think now is really the time where it's top of mind for everybody, because AI is not a technology. AI is a revolution of things that we're doing right now. And there's just a number of technologies that are supporting that.
Yeah.